This video shows how to use ACDP for data transfer of MB FBS4 DSM. Open ACDP app. Confirm in top right that a CDP programmer is bound. Click Benz. Click ISM DSM refresh. Click the DSM help. Check the part numbers and connect the ACDP to the DSM model properly. This video takes the A0002703252 as an example. Click DSM FBS4. Click Identify Info. Click Continue. Verify that the identified information of the original vehicle module is correct. Take a screenshot and save it. Click OK. Identify Info Finish. Click OK. Click Transfer Data. Click Step 1, Read Original Module Data. Click Continue. Click Continue. Click OK, Save Original Data. Please note to back up the file's path, date, time, part numbers. The file name should end with orig, bin. Click OK. Read Chip Data Finish. Click OK. Disconnect from the original vehicle module. Connect another second-hand gearshift module with the same part number. Click Step 2, Clear Donor Module Data. Click Continue. Verify that the identified module information is correct. Click Continue. Click OK, Save Chip Data. Please note to back up the file's path, date, time, part numbers. The file name should end with CLR, bin. Click OK. Click Continue. Erase Data Finish. Click OK. Click Step 3, Write Data to Donor Module. Click Continue. Confirm that the data of the second-hand module has been cleared. Click Continue. Click OK, select Original Data. Select the correct original vehicle file based on the date, time, and part number. The file name should end with orig, bin. Check if the par's data is correct. Click Continue. Click OK, Save Chip Data. Click OK. Click Continue. Transfer Data Finish. Click OK. Return to the previous step. Click Identify Info. Verify that the information of the transferred second-hand module matches the information of the original vehicle module. Click OK. Thank you for watching.